Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a hearing disability certificate. First, gather all required documents. You will need proof of identity and address, such as an Aadhaar card or voter ID. Also, ensure you have 3 to 4 recent passport-sized photographs. Collect any previous medical reports concerning your hearing. Finally, accurately fill out the application form, providing all necessary details. This initial step is crucial for a smooth process. Next, you'll undergo a medical assessment. Visit a government hospital or a designated medical board. A specialist will conduct a thorough audiological examination to assess your hearing. This evaluation helps determine the exact percentage of your hearing impairment. The medical board will then issue a report based on their findings. Make sure all medical documents are properly signed and stamped by the examining physicians for validity. Once your medical assessment is complete, it's time to submit your application. Take your completed form, along with all supporting documents and medical reports, to the designated authority. This is usually the district social welfare office or a similar government department. It's vital to obtain an acknowledgement receipt after submission. This serves as proof. Also, remember to keep a complete set of photocopies of all documents for your personal records. Finally, you'll collect your hearing disability certificate. The processing time can vary, typically ranging from 2 to 8 weeks, depending on the local procedures. You might receive a notification via SMS or email once your certificate is ready for collection. When you go to pick it up, carefully verify all the details printed on the certificate to ensure accuracy. This certificate is a crucial document for accessing various benefits and schemes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.